When it comes to immigration raids, conversations centered around due process or proper protocols are not just happening among community members. These are also being addressed in court. In fact, earlier this month, the Supreme Court ruled that the so-called roving raids here in Southern California could continue, allowing agents to stop people based on certain factors like ethnicity, language, or their presence at a particular location.
We need construction to cease immediately.
475 workers were detained in an immigration raid at Hyundai's battery plant in Georgia this month, marking the largest operation of its kind in recent years. The Trump administration vows there will be more.
President Trump's been clear we're going to prioritize public safety threats and national security threats.
But many advocates and civil rights groups are critical of the tactics used in immigration raids, including masked officers.
If you're not doing anything illegal, you should have no problem whatsoever saying your name, your badge number, the agency you're with.
U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, says its officers wear masks to protect their safety and will identify themselves when required for public safety or legal necessity.
There's frustration over people wearing masks and throwing people into vans in a way that does not seem American to me. It does not seem constitutional to me.
Legal experts say that no matter their legal status, everyone is entitled to protection from unreasonable search and seizure and excessive use of force under the U.S. Constitution's Fourth Amendment. ICE says everyone it arrests receives due process. And if you witness any of these raids,
You don't want to get in their way because then you may be accused of obstructing their law enforcement activity. But recording from a safe distance is absolutely lawful and protected activity.
Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security said last month it received over 100,000 applications in less than 2 weeks from people who want to join ICE. The agency says funding via the so-called Big Beautiful Bill is offering new incentives. Reporting from Los Angeles, I'm Maribel Gonzalez.